Hello there, everybody, on December 3rd, 2022, or December 4th, 2022, depending where you are around the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Amber Hawkins, your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC, celebrating year number 17 of Computer Trade More That Comes to You. More information, make sure to check out yourcomputerneeds.net, as I did yesterday. Thanks for those of you who tuned in. I'm going to keep it as short as possible. Bringing forth what I believe, according to allthingsdistributed.com, the tech predictions for 2023 and beyond. This actually was posted on their site December 1st, 2022. So actually, you can say you're getting this hot off the press. I do not see who wrote the article. I want to make sure to give credit where credit is due, and also make sure that everything is mentioned. But I will say that the link will be in the description. And again, this is coming from allthingsdistributed.com. I want to bring to light the following. According to this site, they've made their predictions. More than likely, these are the annual ones, but this information you can read in your spare time. Just going to give a professional spiel of not all of the predictions, but I'll mention a couple of them. Prediction number 1, cloud technologies will redefine sports as we know them. Like music and video, sports will become data streams that we can analyze. The insights that these will unlock in the coming years will transform the entire sports industry and redefine what it means to play and experience every game. I will say that I believe it's pretty much what we are experiencing in more ways than one, but from what this is saying, it looks like it's going further as far as into the realm of cloud technologies as we know it. Another prediction they mentioned, and this is the second one, simulated worlds will reinvent the way we experiment. Let's see, spatial computing, simulation, digital twins. These technologies have been slowly maturing for years, which is true, but the everyday impact has been limited. Guess what, you all? This is quickly changing. And in 2023, the cloud will make those technologies more accessible, in turn enabling a new class of use cases, rather, that will unbound or by physical constraints. So let me go further into overall what they're saying. Another part of this, in 2023, technologies like these will begin to converge. With the increasing integration of digital technologies in our physical world, simulation becomes more important to ensure that spatial, I'm mispronouncing it, I apologize, SSSMPATIAL, computing technologies have the right impact. This will lead to a virtuous cycle of what were once disparate technologies that began to be used rather in parallel by business and consumers alike. The cloud, through its massive scale and accessibility, will drive this next era. Also known as we're going to become more technologically advanced than ever. To give it another spiel on what I am talking about, let me mention this. Custom silicon goes mainstream. Usage of purpose-built chips will rapidly increase in 2023. As a result, the pace of innovation will accelerate as workloads take advantage of hardware optimizations that maximize performance while lowering energy consumption and reducing cost. Get ready, I'll say overall, and this is number 1, to notice different designs of everything and how everything will be used. When I say designs, let me take the best example of the laptop. If you've noticed the evolution of the laptop when it was first brought forth, how it was designed. It's not the same laptop from 10 years ago. It's definitely not the same design of laptop from even close to 20 years ago. Might as well say the computer is not the same design, and it's not going to be the same design coming up in 2023. However the designs are going to be, that's what they're going to be. However, the design of everything from your computer mouse to your keyboards to your hardware that will be a part of the machinery, that is all going to change. I want to bring out number 2. I mentioned warranties a lot. Make sure you have everything protected. Make sure you have not only everything protected, but have the right protection. You can have a warranty that, yes, if something happens to the laptop, let's say it's dropped and damaged, you can get a replacement. But did you make sure that when you checked out the warranty terms, it includes the backing up of your data, the backing up of your files, the backing up of your videos, the backing up of your contents inside your laptop or your desktop or your tablet or your smartphone? Disclaimer number 3, I'm not a drones expert, but I will say, however you need to protect your drones, make sure you follow manufacturer's directions as far as doing that. No, this article, from what I can see, didn't mention anything about drones. But I will say this article, though I did not see the word, I would not leave out robotics. I mention robotics because it is a part of the tech world. And whatever warranties need to protect robotics, there is a guarantee that they are in place, because robotics are not cheap. You will see pricing of all of this finally that will affect all of us. For some people, it's all right. For others, it's going to be quite an adjustment, but an adjustment that must happen. If you have any questions, thoughts, leave your comments. Feel free to do so. Let's have a discussion. If you have any questions and you rather call privately, 419-304-4564. Call or text to that. The contact link of yourcomputerneeds.net. On social media at YCN as in Nancy, OT LLC 05. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Amber Hawkins, Your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC, celebrating year number 17 of computer training more than comes to you. Stay safe. Take care, everyone. And again, the link to the article will be in the description. Bye-bye.